Hey Lux Babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a two-part versatile sew-in for y'all, and we have some hair from Curlsqueen. They sent me some bundles, so let's open this package up and see what we got. They sent me this cute little baggie with a cute bonnet. Oh my god, this is so cute, and it's an adjustable strap. Like, you don't have this at home. You don't have that. And they sent me this cute shampoo brush that I will be happy to use on my weaves. Thank you, Curl Queens. Now let's get into the bundles. Now, this is their new luxurious upgrade hair. This hair is 300 grams of light Yaki. The wefts are double drawn, as you can see, which this hair is equivalent to about 3 to 4 bundles. As you can see, it's very thick and full from the roots to the tips. So let's hop right in, prepping her hair with all my heat protecting goodies. She has the perfect hair texture for this light Yaki hair. Let me tell you, 4C hair, and it blows out so good and it blended so well, but you have to wait to the end to see that. So look at her hair, it's all fluffy, and so I already parted her middle section out. And I'm gonna go in and part her side part out. Now this is something you want to take heed into because it has to be lined up with the middle part so you can make sure that you're not leaving, more hair out than needed. So I really took my time and I parted her side out. As you can see, her edges are kind of light, so I just wanted to be careful. And then I just braided everything up. And this is what we got. So I am gonna put 3 small braids right here for the bundles. The good thing about the hair being double wefted is that the hair is still gonna look thick and full. I've done 2-part sew-ins before, and the tracks are just not thick enough to cover up her side part. So in the end, you will see that the hair was actually thick enough and full enough, and it looked like she really had a middle part. It looks equal on both sides, which is really important when you have a 2-part sew-in. So I did put her net on. If you guys want to see more of how I put my net on and more details on how I sew, I have multiple YouTube videos up. Hair is double drawn, and this is one of their bundles, which is 150 grams. Y'all, this hair can last you up to a year, like with proper care. And this is for like the natural girlies who, when you straighten your hair doesn't get that straight. It still has a kink in it, a kink to it. This is the perfect hair for you. So I doubled her tracks at first, and then I just went along and singled them so I can make sure I had enough space and I was able to put all the hair in, because I want her hair to be as thick as possible. One thing I really liked about this hair is that it did not tangle at all. During the styling, during the unraveling of the bundles, I hate when bundles get so tangled. I can say that this hair was really silky and tangle free. This is the first bundle, and this is equivalent to 2 bundles, y'all. Like, I'm already halfway through her head. Can you imagine? So I did finish everything off camera, and I'm just going to be closing up her sew-in now so you can see the finished product. So this is what I have left after I filled in her sew-in. So now you get to watch me sew the bundles onto these 3 braids. The reason I didn't put any net here is because in order to get the tracks to flip over properly, you want to make sure that they are not too stiff. And I also never put any knots into the stitches. Like, I just made sure that I continue to sew so that it will flip over effortlessly. I literally just did a basic stitch all the way through. Here's a closer look. And even though the wefts are double drawn, it honestly lays so flat and seamless. As a hairstylist, I love the double drawn wefts, especially for a 2-part sew-in because it's just thicker. I love when the hair is thick, and I love when you can get more hair in less time. Like, who doesn't love that? So as you can see, you can't even tell she has a side part. So let's get into the blending. I use my Cheese Silk Infusion, my wax stick, and I use this other heat protectant. Y'all, she told me that she was natural and that she never had her hair silked before. So this is gonna be so nice to see like her hair blend with this. And she didn't tell me until the end because I had to keep pressing her hair because I'm like, why is it not staying straight? And she was like, oh, I never had my hair pressed before. Oh, well, that's nice to know. So it's good to see that the hair blended in effortlessly with her natural hair. Look at that, it is blending so nicely. Like, I am honestly loving this Yaki hair. I'm gonna get some for myself because I love it. Like, I like that natural effortless look. It really gives a natural look, like it's your hair. She was like, this is my hair. I'm like, girl, yes, this is your hair for sure. Like, y'all, look at that blend. It blends so smooth. Like, wow. It matches her hair texture perfectly. So the 4C girlies, you might want to hop on this. Look at how flat this is. You would have never knew she had a side part. So this is how I switched her part. I had to make sure that I went in between each track and flatten it out, just to make sure that it was gonna flip correctly. And it flipped really easily. So effortless, so cute. The side part was our favorite. She realized that side parts look great on her. Like, look at this. This is so cute. Like, I was so excited to put the layers in her hair because I knew that it was gonna eat down. It was gonna look just like her hair. So this is me just literally cutting in the layers, making sure I'm doing long layers. Then I went ahead and curled her hair and pinned her curls up. Like, this hair holds a really good curl. I wasn't expecting the curls to last because when I switched her part, I did not recurl her hair. Like, I did not recurl her hair at all. I did like the 2 curls in the front, but other than that, the hair held a pretty good curl. As you can see, like, look at the thickness. I'm really feeling this hair, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. It was some pretty good hair. So cute, so effortless. You can literally do this on yourself. Like, if you could, like, you could do this on yourself at home. This is so cute. Look at it. Like, she was so happy with the outcome. The hair looks so great. Like, it's giving corporate baddie. It's giving black Barbie. It's giving all the things. Yes, I am here for the texture hair this summer. So I'm just doing her side part here. As you can see, I did go ahead and I pressed it out a little bit more, just so we can make sure we had a sleek look. And the side part was eating down. You cannot tell me a thing. So I am gonna do some baby hairs because she did decide that she wanted to wear her hair in the side part. So we're just gonna slick her hair back and do her baby hairs. This was before I recurled her hair for the finished look. Look at how the hair holds a curl. I've been combing through the hair. So anyways, on her baby hairs, I used the Kenra 25 volume spray. Y'all, this is literally my favorite spray. Like, this is my product of the month. I love that spray, and I need to go get a few more cans. It holds super well, especially on her edges, and it holds and melts the hair down and just helps it blend even more. So for the finished look, I did recurl just her front pieces so the look can give, but look at this outcome. You cannot tell she has a middle part. Like, this is so flat. I love this outcome. This is like one of my favorite looks I've done all month. I love when clients are willing to try different things, and I'm really liking that they have different textures now to match with our natural hair. Like, it's really giving, it's really eating, and it's really so cute. What do y'all think? Y'all subscribe to my channel, like this video, and check out my description for more of the hair details. See y'all later. Bye.